The C3 is a heavy-duty industrial crepe machine that can handle all types of batter and make crepes of various diameters according to customer requirements. Cooking time can be adjusted by varying the rotation speed of the cooking roller. On request, the C3 can be integrated in production lines with dosing units for fillings or with packing systems. The C4 produces a strip of crepe 600 mm wide, cut horizontally and vertically according to the customer specifications by an inverter-controlled cutting system. Batter loading is automatic and cooking time adjustable. The C4 can be integrated with a 4-head cannelloni forming machine to produce up to about 240 kilograms per hour of cannelloni.